Hello and welcome back. I'm really happy you are here today. In this episode, we're going to talk about something very important: how to make English feel easy. Many learners think English is difficult. They think it takes many years. They think they need perfect grammar. But today, I want to show you something different. English becomes easier when you change the way you learn. In this episode, I will speak slowly. I will use clear and simple English. You can listen. You can repeat. You can speak with me. This is shadowing practice. You listen. You repeat. You build confidence step by step. So take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders, and let's begin together. Part 1. Stop trying to be perfect. Many students wait. They wait until they know more words. They wait until their grammar is perfect. They wait until they feel ready. But here is the truth. You don't become confident first. You become confident by speaking. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Did you study balance for 6 months? No. You got on the bike. Maybe you fell. But you tried again. Language works the same way. You do not need perfect English to communicate. You need courage and small sentences. Repeat after me. I can speak with simple words. I don't need to be perfect. I improve every day. Good. Mistakes are not problems. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every time you try, your brain grows. Part 2. Learn in small pieces. Big goals can feel heavy. Become fluent. Speak like a native. Understand everything. These goals are too big for one day. Instead, focus on small pieces. One short sentence, one new phrase, one 5-minute practice. Small pieces feel light. And light things are easy to carry. For example, instead of learning 50 random words, learn 3 sentences you can really use. I'm on my way. Could you explain that again? That sounds interesting. Repeat them. Use them. Own them. When you use a sentence in real life, it becomes part of you. Small steps create big change. Part 3. Train your ears. First, many learners try to speak before they really listen. But your ears are the door to fluency. If you hear English every day, your brain starts to understand rhythm, intonation, and natural pronunciation. You don't need to understand 100%. Even 60% is powerful. When you listen, ask, what is the main idea? What feeling do I hear? Is the speaker calm, excited, serious? Understanding feeling is also understanding language. Now let's practice shadowing. Listen and repeat. I understand more every day. My listening is getting stronger. I trust the process. Excellent. Listening is not passive. Listening is training. Part 4. Connect English to your real life. English becomes easy when it becomes useful. If English is only in a textbook, it feels far away. Bring it closer. Describe your day in English. In the morning, say, I'm making coffee. I'm getting dressed. I'm leaving the house. At night, say, today was productive. I learned something new. I'm proud of myself. These are simple sentences, but they are powerful because they are yours. When English describes your real life, your brain keeps it. You are not memorizing. You are living the language. Part 5. Repeat more than you think. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is transformation. Athletes repeat movements. Musicians repeat songs. Speakers repeat phrases. Why? Because repetition creates automatic skill. When you shadow the same audio many times, your mouth moves more naturally. Your pronunciation improves. Your confidence grows. Don't look for new content every day. Sometimes, repeat the same lesson 5 times. Each time, you will notice something new. Say this with me. Repetition makes me stronger. Practice makes me natural. I enjoy improving. Very good. Part 6. Consistency is the real secret. You don't need 3 hours a day. You need 10 minutes every day. Consistency beats intensity. If you practice a little every day, your brain stays connected to English. Imagine water falling on a rock. One drop does nothing, but thousands of drops change the rock forever. Your daily practice is that drop. 5 minutes of shadowing, 5 minutes of listening, one short reflection in English. That is enough. Progress is quiet, but it is real. Final reflection. Today, you learned something important. English does not have to feel heavy. It does not have to feel impossible. When you stop chasing perfection, focus on small pieces, train your ears, connect English to your life. So, repeat often. Stay consistent. English becomes lighter. Now take one more deep breath. Repeat after me. I am becoming fluent step by step. I trust my journey. I enjoy learning English. You did something powerful today. You listened. You repeated. You spoke. That is real progress. Come back to this episode again. Shadow it again. Each time you will feel stronger. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode.